Hi, my name is Greg, and I'm the Global Tech Director for Digital Commerce at Columbus. For us, collaboration is not a meeting invite, it's how we design the work. I lead a multicultural, multidisciplinary organization of more than 100 engineers and architects across several countries. And I see them all as one integrated team. Collaboration becomes real through the practical behaviors that shape our everyday work. It starts with intentionally designing for cross-country delivery. Our model assumes distributed teams, shared ownership, and a common way of working, which ensures we collaborate from the very first sprint. But structure alone isn't enough. Real collaboration requires psychological safety. So we've built a culture where people at any level can question decisions, share ideas, and challenge assumptions. Feedback isn't seen as a soft skill. It's a core operating principle. To avoid silos and strengthen our global consistency, we rely on the competence networks, communities where people learn from each other, share project experiences, and continuously improve our delivery standards. This is where collaboration becomes visible. Colleagues reusing each other's work, exchanging lessons learned, and co-creating methods that work across markets. And finally, we reinforce collaboration through transparency. Regular demos, showcases, and knowledge-sharing sessions help teams see each other's progress and invite suggestions and improvements. This creates a working environment where collaboration is not an event, it's a habit. Collaboration becomes real when diversity is in the squad, not on a slide. A great recent example is our accelerator program, which we are building as one cross-country team across several markets. The diversity of the people involved immediately strengthened the program. We saw richer ideas, more realistic assumptions, and a training journey grounded in real delivery experience rather than theory. A key part of this success is working hand in hand with representatives from other business lines in Columbus. Together, we ensure that the accelerator doesn't sit only within digital commerce, but draws on the best practices from all business lines. This gives the program a broader foundation and prevents it from becoming isolated within one part of the organization. What's even more important is the sense of ownership this collaboration creates. Teams across countries already recognize elements of their input in the design because they helped shape it. And as a result, participants will learn about modern commerce the same way we deliver it to our customers, collaboratively across borders as one unified team. For me, listening is not an agenda item, it's a leadership responsibility. That is why, after presenting our 2026 strategy, we launched a cross-office road trip to bring people directly into the conversation. Whether during structured sessions, informal coffee chats, or collaborative boards, colleagues share ideas, concerns, and suggestions that shape how we refine the plan. What truly strengthens this process is the combination of structured feedback and social connection. Workshops, dinners, and informal discussions create an environment where people feel safe to speak up. Our broader initiatives, like feedback culture training, reinforce this by building confidence, openness, and psychological safety across teams. But the most important part is acting on what we hear. Several elements of the 2026 plan will evolve based on the insights gathered throughout this road trip. Our people's voice is not a nice to have. It is the most important piece of the puzzle in executing the strategy. When people feel heard, they feel ownership. And when they feel ownership, they drive the strategy forward. People feel proud and motivated when they see that what they do genuinely matters. Collaborative projects amplify this feeling because they allow teams to create meaningful impact together. When colleagues from different countries and specializations work side by side, three things happen consistently. First, people see their work shaping something important, whether it's a new delivery model, a complex customer solution, or a global initiative. Seeing their contribution influence real outcomes. It fuels pride. Second, they help others grow. Through competence networks and cross-market project teams, people mentor, support, and stretch each other. Helping others develop creates purpose and builds a strong sense of connection, a powerful motivator. Third, They solve complex challenges together, from AI-driven commerce to unified delivery processes. Overcoming difficult problems as one team builds shared pride and a collective identity. People don't just finish a project, they grow, they learn, and they gain confidence in what they can achieve together. Collaboration matters because by using our combined knowledge, we achieve more together than any of us ever could alone.